how you can make money on Instagram. Today we're going to show you a couple of little tips on how you can make money on Instagram, and we're going to show you right now. You're very welcome back to the channel. So, how to make money on Instagram. This works, guys, whether you have 1,000 followers or 1,000,000 followers. You've probably heard stories of Instagrammers who are cashing in on pictures they snap and share every day. You might have even looked at your own sizable following and thought, maybe I can do that too. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 4 little tips on how you can monetize Instagram. Before we get into it, don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel once you finish watching this one, guys. Hit subscribe and the bell icon. By doing that, you're helping a little channel move forward. Like and leave a comment, and stay till the end, guys. I have a special bonus for you. A lot of my videos have bonuses in them, free giveaways and stuff, so make sure you stay till the end to get that. Just like bloggers, YouTubers and anyone else who has amassed an audience around the content they produce, Instagram have reach and influence. They figured out 2 things many companies struggle with. Together, these 2 things offer the opportunity for Instagram creators to explore multiple streams of potential revenue, whether they want to build an empire or just earn some extra cash and free stuff. How many followers do you need to make money? If by now you're wondering, well, how many followers do I need to make it happen? The short answer is, you don't need that many. But it depends on a lot of factors, including what niche you're in, how engaged your followers are. 100,000 fake followers won't take you very far, guys. Which revenue channels you explore? Naturally, the more engaging followers you have, the better. While top Instagrammers make thousands per post on photo sharing platform, even those with a small but engaged following of 1,000 have the potential to start making money. So how do you make money on Instagram? Well, depending on your unique brand of Instagram content, your audience, and your level of commitment, you can make money on Instagram in the following ways. You can do sponsored posts for brands that want to get in front of your audience. You can become an affiliate and make a commission selling other brands' products. And you can create and sell a physical or digital product or a paid service, and you could sell your photography. The beauty here is that chasing one revenue stream doesn't necessarily rule out the other. So let's start with the most common approach to Instagram monetization: partnering with brands as an influencer. The term influencer gets thrown around a lot these days. An influencer is basically anyone who's built themselves an online reputation by doing and sharing awesome things online. To their audiences, influencers are tastemakers, trendsetters, and trusted experts whose opinions about certain subjects are respected. Many brands just can't compete with that, and so they partner with influencers instead for sponsored posts that help get the word out about their products. But it's not just the size and the reach of your Instagram account that brands want, it's your audience's trust and engagement with your content. It can be hard to balance your revenue as an influencer and your integrity as a creator. But if you're not relying on your Instagram income to stay afloat, you always have the freedom to be selective about the brands you work with, just as brands will be selective with you. How to decide what to charge as an influencer? Well, typically influencer deals involve the creation of content, an Instagram post or a video or a story, and will sometimes include permission for the brand to use this content on their own site or in an ad. Most of these deals are negotiable and can involve a single post or an entire campaign in exchange for a fee, a free product, a service, a gift, the promise of exposure, or some combination of all of these. Keep in mind when negotiating that you're not just offering content but access to your audience, a potentially large reach on one of the most popular social platforms around, and the usage rights too. In a survey of 5,000 influencers, around 42% said they charge $200 to $400 per post. Just to give you an idea of what some brands are willing to pay and how to negotiate based on the cards you're holding. Also, it's important as an influencer you also know your audience. What is the makeup of your audience and what is your engagement rate? The total engagement divided by your number of followers. You can dig up numbers to back this up in your Instagram analytics report if you switch to a business account. This will help you be prepared when it comes time to negotiate. So how to find brands to work with. If you're big enough, chances are the brands will find you. But you can also look for brands to work with that are a similar level in terms of personality and values, so your audience won't feel like you're selling out. You can reach out to them directly to try to work out a deal, or you can also list yourself on one of the many influencer marketplaces out there to increase your chances of being discovered. Some of these include Shoutcard. You can sell a shout out for your audience on behalf of a brand. 4Card. Connect your Instagram, blog, YouTube channel and other social media platforms to create an influencer card that shows your different profiles and total reach for brands shopping around for a partnership. You can also get access to a list of brands and their wants, so you can take initiative and reach out to. Grapevine. If you have 5,000 or more followers, you can list yourself in the Grapevine marketplace for the opportunity to work with like-minded people and brands. CrowdTap. You can do small content creation tasks to earn rewards. This is great if you've got a smaller audience, but it's only available in the US. India Hashtag. Brands put up campaigns that you can participate in. Post a picture with the specific hashtags on Instagram and get paid. You need 700 engaged followers to be eligible for this. The rules vary when it comes to sponsored content, but to be on the safe side and respect your audience's trust, consider adding hashtag sponsored to indicate sponsored posts. If you need reassurance, about 69% of influencers in one report said that being transparent about their sponsorship didn't affect how their consumers perceived their recommendations. You can find examples of how sponsored posts and how Instagrammers integrate brands into their story by searching up hashtag sponsored on Instagram. Like one from How We Asked, an account that shares wedding proposal stories and partners with a jewellery business. Instagram also has a paid partnership with tag that prominently indicates sponsored posts, with some brands might require you to disclose your relationship with them. So number 2, and one of my favourites, is becoming an affiliate. Unlike an influencer, an affiliate is more invested in making sales for the partner brand, not just generating awareness in exchange for a commission. This is typically done with a trackable link or unique promo code to ensure clicks actually translate into sales. Since Instagram doesn't yet allow links anywhere outside of your bio, you can only focus on one product at a time. If you choose to rely on affiliate links, making promo codes is a better option for Instagram, since you can actually incorporate them into your posts. Consider reaching out to one of the many online merchants that offer affiliate programs that you can participate. Or you can also explore popular marketplaces like ClickBank or RewardStyle or the ever trustworthy Amazon affiliate program, a popular option that pays out about 10% commission. Although this sounds like a numbers game, affiliate marketing is also an art, and you'll have a better chance at success if you have a plan going into and expand your online presence to include a website and other marketing channels. Here's a little tip, guys. Affiliate links can be long and ugly, so use a little URL shortener like bit.ly, especially if you're going into your Instagram bio, and that way you can also track them as well. So, option number 3 is you can open your own online store. By now, it might sound like the only way for Instagrammers to make money is to sell out and work with other brands. But creators of all kinds are also in a good position to sell out with their own products, physical goods, services, or digital items that can be an extension of their brand, building a business with an audience at its center. You need to invest some time up front, but in today's world, it's almost natural for creators to make the leap into entrepreneurship. By selling your own stuff, you don't need to worry about integrating messages from other brands into your posting strategy. Better yet, you can get your own brand out there on the products you sell. Fans can show their love and support by buying from you, a purchase they can feel good about. Here are a few ways you can do this. You can use a print-on-demand service to print and ship your own t-shirts, pillows, coffee mugs, wall art, anything like that. You could also sell services such as photography or consulting, using your bio to direct interest people to contact email or a link for your professional website. You could sell digital products like courses and ebooks. You can use your Instagram account to launch a business, selling your own original products or even a book. Or if you plan on selling several items in your own Shopify store, you can also make purchases through Instagram, possible on your website, using one of the available Instagram gallery apps. Number 4, guys, is you can sell your photos online. Someone might get famous on Twitter by telling 140 character jokes, but Instagram is a photo sharing app at its core, and photos are assets that can be licensed, printed and sold in a variety of ways. If photography is what got you into Instagram in the first place, you can list your photos in marketplaces like 500px or 2020, where brands and publishers might license them. However, you can also sell your photos as prints and on other physical products using a similar method described in the last bit. Services like Printful and T-Launch and Teespring can let you put your photos on posters, phone cases, pillows and more, taking care of fulfilling orders and customer services, so you really need to worry about making sales. Take the story of Daniel Arnold, who went from eating toast 3 meals a day, according to an interview in Forbes, to making 15k in a single day by offering to sell prints of his popular but controversial photos. If you've already got the demand, all you need to do is take the initiative and offer your audience the opportunity to buy your photography from you. What started as a hobby, making people laugh, doing silly photo shoots with your dog or sharing pictures of food, can snowball into the chance to turn Instagram into a source of income fueled by your engaged followings. There's a world of possibilities out there as a creator, with a large online audience made up of people who can't help but stop when they scroll past your posts in their feed. It's a special appeal that makes you have the open door. You have to walk through it. What do you think, guys? Is there anything there on Instagram that we haven't touched with regards to making money? There's a world of possibilities out there. Personally, I like the affiliate marketing bit, especially using products out there. There's a mountain of products out there. Amazon is a good place to start. The commissions are low, but you can have, like I always preach in my other videos, it's good to have a mixture of high ticket items as well as low ticket items. So check that out. But don't forget to leave any comments down below, guys. And as I say, for a special bonus, check in the link below. I have a free report for you on how to build a massive Instagram audience pretty quickly. So check down below, get that report, let me know how you get on, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.